What are the laws of indices? Well, the laws of indices are rules that allow us to simplify expressions with powers of the same base. Now, what do I mean by that? Let's get right into it. Here we've got a to the m times a to the n. Same base, a. When we multiply them, we're going to add the powers. So we'll get a to the m plus n. Now, what does that actually mean? It's just 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, like that, which means that that is equal to 2 to the 5. When we divide them, we're going to subtract the powers. Who could have guessed that? It's very similar in the sense that we can write this out like 2 to the 5 over 2 to the 2. And then we can just cancel out 2 of the 2's. We're left with 2 to the 3. Now, when we've got brackets and a power outside of it, we're going to multiply the powers together. So we'll get a to the m times n. Because, say, if we had 2 to the 2 to the power of 3, that would just be like saying 2 to the 2 times itself 3 times. We know that all we have to do is just add up the powers, and then we would get 2 to the 6. And then an interesting one, anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Let's say we had 2 to the 2 over 2 to the 2. Well, anything divided by itself gives 1, right? We can write 2 to the 2 over 2 to the 2 as this. We can just subtract the powers, and well, that's just 2 to the 0. But we just said that 2 to the 2 divided by 2 to the 2 is equal to 1. So therefore they must be the same thing in order to make the laws consistent with each other. And then we've got a very easy one. Anything to the power of 1 is just itself, because, well, you've just got one of it after all. And then when you've got a negative power, you're going to get the reciprocal of it, where the power is now positive. And what I mean by that is that you'll get 1 over the base with the negative removed. So it's just 1 over a to the m. Say we've got a to the 2 over a to the 5. So we get a to the minus 3. We can also write this as, who would have guessed? Cancel out our a's, and that would give us 1 over a to the 3. Now we've got when our power is a fraction. So what this does is that it gets the nth root of a to the power of m, which would be written as this. Now you can also write it as this, but I personally prefer the top one. And that's actually all of the laws of indices, as far as I've put down. If I missed one, that would be embarrassing, but I hope not.